This is Dr. George Boris. I want to welcome you to our surgical center. In addition to doing surgery, we do Botox and fillers, but primarily we're doing surgery here. And we really care about the quality of our work. It's myself. I have several doctors working with me. One Dr. Hughes, for instance, is a board-certified plastic surgeon who trained at Harvard, fantastic surgeon. And I've had 43 years under my belt in doing surgery. And we really care about the results. We have a great staff. We have a spa which will help with post-op care. And we have very great nurses that really care about taking care of you, answering questions, and that when you're here, you will not feel abandoned. We will take care of you post-operatively and really make sure that you feel that we're doing the best work that you could possibly get.
Este es un reportaje de último minuto. Les saluda Rubí Molina. Boris Cosmetics está marcando la diferencia en lo que verse y sentirse bien se refiere. ¿Qué esperas? Decídete a hacer ese cambio que siempre has querido.
Se especializan en aumentos de senos, tonificación de la figura y mucho más.
¿Qué esperas para hacer ese cambio? Así como ellas, tú también puedes lograrlo. Tienen $1,500 de descuento en cualquier procedimiento y hasta 18 meses sin intereses. ¡Increíble!
Let me say a few words about transumbilical breast implant surgery. This is a procedure where there's no cuts, no scars around the nipple. You're not cutting into through the skin into the breast tissue or the muscle. You're simply creating a tunnel under the skin from the belly button going up and then under the muscle to put the implant. And the placement and the results so much more predictable. The complication rate is so much less than doing it the traditional way with a cut, the scars, and the potential problems that people can have. And it's a very, very effective procedure, and most of the patients coming in for it are from patients who already had it, family members, friends, and have seen it, and they love it. They love the fact that recovery is 1 or 2 days. One of my nurses was bodybuilding at the gym 3 days later. So recovery is very quick from this technique because you're not cutting anything except you're creating a space that's already existing, but you just have to open it more without cutting the breast tissue itself to create this pocket for the implant. So the results are fantastic doing it this way, and it's a new way. 30, 40 years ago, people would have gallbladder surgery where they have a big cut going across the abdomen, and they'd be in the hospital for 2 weeks. And now they're doing it through the belly endoscopically, safer, recovery. They leave the hospital the same day at times. It's the same way doing this surgery through the endoscope, through the belly button. It's much more predictable, safer in my opinion and my hands to do it this way.
Boris Cosmetic, where turning dreams into reality happens every day. The board-certified doctors at Boris Cosmetic have over 35 years of experience, and there is no one better. Start feeling your best today. Boris Cosmetic specializes in breast augmentation, tummy tuck, liposuction, nose jobs, facelifts, body sculpting, and so much more. They also have a brand new med spa where you can receive Botox, Juvederm, massages, facials in a soothing, relaxing environment. Boris Cosmetic also offers 0% for 18 months on all procedures. And right now, you can receive $1,500 off Se Habla Español. Call Boris Cosmetic at 310-204-5822 or visit them at www.boriscosmetic.com. Boris Cosmetic is in the heart of LA, 9700 Venice Boulevard, off the 405 and 10 freeways. Boris Cosmetic, where making you look good is what they do.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kenneth Hughes. I'm here to talk to you about a few procedures today. One of the most popular procedures we perform here is the Brazilian butt lift. This offers the patient the unique opportunity to have fat transferred from essentially any element, any area of the body to the buttock, to lift, shape, mold the buttock into virtually anything that you could imagine. Most frequently we liposuction the abdomen, the sides, and the back up to 5 liters, and then we transfer quite a great deal of fat to each buttock, sometimes 1,500 cc's per buttock. This allows for tremendous transformations. Liposuction is also one of the most popular procedures performed here. We probably do in the neighborhood of sometimes 10 to 15 a week. Most commonly we liposuction the abdomen, the sides, the back, sometimes in conjunction with the Brazilian butt lift. But in addition we do the arms, the medial thighs, the outer thighs, any area of the body you could imagine we can sculpt to give you nicer contours.
Boris Cosmetic, where turning dreams into reality happens every day. The board-certified doctors at Boris Cosmetic have over 35 years of experience, and there is no one better. Start feeling your best today. Boris Cosmetic specializes in breast augmentation, tummy tuck, liposuction, nose jobs, facelifts, body sculpting, and so much more. They also have a brand new med spa where you can receive Botox, Juvederm, massages, facials in a soothing, relaxing environment. Boris Cosmetic also offers 0% for 18 months on all procedures. And right now, you can receive $1,500 off Se Habla Español. Call Boris Cosmetic at 310-204-5822 or visit them at www.boriscosmetic.com. Boris Cosmetic is in the heart of LA, 9700 Venice Boulevard, off the 405 and 10 freeways. Boris Cosmetic, where making you look good is what they do.
Hi, it's me, Argelia Tilano from KLO 107.5 FM. You probably heard me on the radio talked one too many times about Dr. Boris, right? Well, that's because I strongly believe in them. I had a procedure done here quite a while back, and I'm very happy, and I still keep endorsing them. So, women, if there is something you want to do and you're doubting it, come for a free consultation to Dr. Boris. You're going to love the treatment. You're going to love the personnel. You're going to love Dr. Boris. Take care. Good luck.
Bye. I'm Dr. George Boris. I wanted to say that patients coming in for surgery in the morning of surgery, are often very anxious and concerned, and they rightly should be, having a procedure of any kind, especially if it's their first. The good news is that I have been practicing for 43 years. We have a fully certified surgical center, and we use a board-certified anesthesiologist, and the operations are very safe. And things have changed in the last 43 years, during which time I've been practicing and working in the field. Now everything is, recovery is much quicker, the procedures are a lot safer, the results are much more predictable, and the reason I think we're very, very busy is that our results are really great, and I think that people are going to be very excited with the results that they have from our surgical center.
Soy yo, tu comadre Roxy. Many of you guys know me from radio or TV. And I want to tell you a little bit about my Boris Cosmetic experience. I actually got my breast augmentation done almost 6 years ago. I got the transumbilical breast augmentation because I didn't want any scars. So I did my research, did a lot of research. For those who know me, you know that I'm the researching queen. So I went at it and I stumbled across Dr. Boris at Boris Cosmetic and his amazing team of doctors and staff. I came here, I asked questions, till I think I was purple in the face, and I felt really secure about my procedure. I got breast augmentation and liposculpture 6 years ago. My results have been phenomenal. Y pues claro, cuando algo es bueno, lo tienes que recomendar. I recommended my sister, who had a tremendous weight loss experience. She lost 160 pounds. So what happens after weight loss? You have a lot of saggy skin. Recommended her to the best, Dr. Boris. Amazing results. So if you're thinking about maybe getting breast augmentation, tummy tuck, whatever, anything cosmetic, Dr. Boris and his amazing team of doctors can help you. So, ¿qué esperas? Log on to the website or give them a call because the consultation is 100% free. boriscosmetic.com. That's where you gotta go.
Face and neck lift and all of the variants are also performed here. This is another very common procedure. The face and neck can be addressed in any number of ways, from the least invasive involving just a pure neck lift with a tiny scar placed underneath the chin to recontour the neck, Sometimes a lower facelift is appropriate in conjunction with a neck lift or liposuction of that area. This allows improvement in the jowls of the patient and in the neck contours as well. Finally, facelift that involves the entire face, the cheek area, the jowl area, the nasolabial folds, the neck. All of these things can be altered as well with some sort of deep tissue support of the SMAS and possible fat grafting. Eyelid surgery is by far one of the most popular procedures in the U.S. These procedures can be divided into upper and lower eyelid surgeries. They can be performed separately or they can be performed at the same time, often in combination with other procedures such as fat grafting or facelift. The goal of any eyelid surgery is to allow a nice natural contour, restore that rejuvenated look without creating a pulled or a hollowed out look.
So this is the man himself, Dr. Boris, the one that I always talk about on the radio, the one that I tweet about, Instagram about. Dr. Boris, love this man. You've made a lot of women and a lot of men, women mostly with their breast augmentations, very happy. A bunch of my girlfriends have said to me like, oh my God, Dr. Boris is amazing and their breasts look amazing. How many procedures do you think you've done just on breast aug?
We developed and pioneered the breast implants through the belly button, but doing it through the natural, the old-fashioned way, or through the armpit. We've done pretty much 15,000, I would say, in the last 15 years.
We've
done a lot.
It's a lot of boobs.
Yeah, we've done a lot here.
But you know what I really love about coming into this facility is that I feel like I can just walk into your office sometimes just because we've become so, family oriented around here that I can come and just talk to you and ask you and pick your brain about anything, and you're just so welcome, and your whole staff is like that.
Yeah, we try. We really care about each patient. We treat everyone like a celebrity or VIP.
Yes.
We really care about that.
A VIP experience at Dr. Boris is really cool because you walk in, immediately the staff gives you a smile on their face, and they're really here to give you, the patient, what you want. They're not trying to persuade. That's what I loved about it. They're not trying to say, oh, you should do this or you should do that. No. And most surgeons I've known have done that before.
It's true.
Yeah.
We have patients who really don't need a surgery, and I tell them that.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
see, the honesty matters. That's why I love Boris Cosmetic and everyone here. They're amazing. Check them out at boriscosmetic.com. He is the man.